I don't know whether the Bloodline is gonna get involved or not, but it doesn't matter. Even if the Bloodline gets involved in this match, I don't see Solo Sikoa winning this match. A lot of people, they're saying that we might see Jimmy Uso coming back. Once a wise man said, wrestlers become great not because of their technique, but because of their passion. My name is TKJ. We are just few hours away from Friday Night SmackDown season premiere. It's gonna be an epic night. It's gonna be an interesting night. So folks, I just wanna speak about the kickoff match that's gonna take place, which is a steel cage match between Cody Rhodes and Solo Sikoa. So before I go any further, before we go deep in this thing, I want us to watch this clip. It was done by our boss, Triple H. I think he did it yesterday. I want us to watch the video and listen. Let us try to break it down. So I've got my own laptop here. We'll try to break it down. Let's go for it.
For the first time in 5 years, SmackDown has a new home. The first time in 5 years, SmackDown has a new home. Live on the USA Network. How do you kick that off in the biggest way possible? Well, Cody Rhodes, Solo Sikoa, inside a steel cage for the undisputed WWE Championship. It doesn't get any bigger than that. For the rest of it, you'll just have to wait and see. See you there.
See you there, Steph. Okay, let us start afresh so that we can break it down. Let's start afresh.
For the first time in 5 years, SmackDown has a new home. Live on the USA Network. How do you kick that off in the biggest way possible? Well, Cody Rhodes, Solo Sikoa, inside a steel cage for the undisputed WWE Championship. It doesn't get any bigger than that. So the rest of it, you'll just have to wait and see.
Okay, let us first, before we go any further, let us talk about the last line. Say, okay, cool, let's just go back a bit.
WWE Championship. It doesn't get any bigger than that. For the rest of it,
the rest of
you
it,
just have to wait and see.
You have to just wait and see. So, our boss Triple H said, for the rest of it, you have to just wait and see. First of all, it seems like this Friday, there's going to be a lot of surprises. And it's given that Roman Reigns is coming back, because I saw one of the posters, he was advertised, which is dope. I can't wait to see our OTC for the second return. It's going to be an interesting one. Okay, cool. We've got Solo Sikoa and Cody Rhodes in a steel cage match for the undisputed WWE Championship. Okay, it's given that Cody Rhodes is gonna win. Because obvious, guys, I think all we know as WWE Universe, we all know that Solo Sikoa can win the undisputed WWE Championship now. Maybe in the next 5 years or in the next 3 years, I don't know, but not now, especially not in the presence of his cousin Roman Reigns, our tribal chief, and also beating one of the greatest undisputed WWE Championship, Cody Rhodes. I don't see Solo Sikoa winning this match. It's going to be an interesting match, this one. It's going to be interesting. A lot of people, they're saying that we might see Jimmy Uso coming back. That is going to be crazy. That's going to be epic. So it's going to be an interesting match. I don't know whether the Bloodline or the new Bloodline is going to be involved in this match. I don't know how they're going to get inside the ring, but I don't know, because you guys know WWE is unpredictable. Anything can happen. I don't know how everything's going to unfold in this match, but I'm just going to be honest. I think though the new Bloodline is going to get involved, especially our new top, the next big thing, Jacob Fatu is going to get involved. Because last time he was the last person to took out Roman Reigns. Then the rest of the Bloodline joined. But like the person who started to give beating to Roman Reigns, it was Jacob Fatu. So I can't wait how things they're going to unfold today. Roman Reigns is coming back. And also there's a steel cage match happening. I don't know whether the Bloodline is going to get involved or not. But it doesn't matter. Even if the Bloodline gets involved in this match, I don't see Solo Sikoa winning this match. I think things are gonna go as they took place at SummerSlam. Roman Reigns is gonna sabotage Solo Sikoa again. And I think this thing will lead us to Survivor Series, it's where I could find maybe possibly it's gonna be the Bloodline, War Games, something like that. I don't know. But for tonight, I see Cody Rhodes, our champion, winning. I don't see Solo Sikoa winning. So tonight, Cody Rhodes is gonna win. Then Solo Sikoa is gonna be sabotaged by our OTC Roman Reigns. I acknowledge him. Basically, this steel cage match is gonna kick off the show. That's so surprising. I think they wanna give us more action. That is why they're making this match to start. Yeah, you can just comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the match. I can't wait for the match. And you also, as WWE Universe, you can't wait for the match. Just comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Share your predictions. How do they're gonna unfold? Thank you so much. Wrestlers become great, not because of the technique, but because of their passion. Thank you so much. Out.